This is part 2 of my review on Gyeon Q² Tire, where we're taking a closer look at the product's long-term performance over a 2-week period. Gyeon makes some bold claims here, calling this the first SiO₂-based tire protectant on the market, with supposed self-cleaning properties and durability that lasts through more than 6 washes. Let's do a quick recap. Here's what the tire looked like just 30 minutes after application. My initial impressions were mixed, even though it received a staggering 4.5 stars on Amazon. I liked the sleek bottle design, the decent scent, and the rich, sparkling finish it left on the rubber. But it wasn't perfect. I wasn't a fan of the pump-style sprayer or the thick gel consistency, which led to some streaking and noticeable sling during driving. I later found that Gyeon recommends using just 10 to 15 milliliters for all 4 tires. Turns out I used about 10 milliliters on just 1 tire. I guess that explains the sling and the oily residue I saw after driving. Basically, I over-applied. In the days that followed, the thick layer of product attracted more dust than usual, and I noticed additional sling after freeway driving. The gel never fully dried and remained tacky to the touch, which again, may be due to overuse. By week 1, the shine had started to fade, and I noticed the product slowly creeping into the control area, likely from the spreading action of the still wet gel. Interestingly, dust accumulation seemed to slow down as the product thinned out. Maybe this is what Gyeon means by self-cleaning properties, though it's more like it's evening out over time. Still, from a distance, the tire maintained a subtle dark tone, which gave it a dressed look even without the gloss. Now for the real test, Gyeon claims this tire shine lasts through 6 washes. So let's see how it does after just 1. After a quick rinse, I was actually impressed. The control section absorbed water, while the Q² tire areas showed strong water beading, a clear sign that protection was still on the surface. A scrub and rinse followed, and water was still beading. So far, so good. But once the tire fully dried, the shine was gone. The tire returned to its natural yellowish tint, which tells me most of the product had washed off. That said, there was still a subtle contrast between the treated area and the control. So while the gloss was gone, the product left behind a faint protective layer. So here's the bottom line. While Gyeon Q² Tire didn't exactly live up to all its bold claims, it's still a decent gel-based tire shine, assuming you apply the right amount. The biggest downside for me is the price, and based on some Amazon reviews I read, you might get similar results with something like Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel for a lot less. I'll be reviewing that soon and comparing the two head to head. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.